famous Burj Khalifa. But do you actually know what's inside it? So that's your Burj Khalifa. On the ground floor, you have the corporate lobby. On the left and right, you have the Armani restaurants. Then the first two floors are the Armani rooms. From here up till here are the Armani residence. Then that's the mechanical floor. From here to here are the apartments. Then those two are the Armani suites. Again, the mechanical floors. Starting from here up to here are again apartments. Then you have the mechanical floor. From here till here are again the apartments. The highest apartment is at the 108th floor. Starting from here up to here are all the offices. Over there in the center is the Atmosphere restaurant. And right besides that is at the top, wherein the tourist deck is there. Then from here till here, you again have the offices. The highest office is at the 154th floor. And from here to here, it's all empty. So the top lies at 828 meters, making it the tallest tower of the world.